In today's video, I'll show you a crazy accurate 5-minute scalping strategy that's proven to work on all markets. Yes, all markets, stocks, forex and crypto. To back my word, I will backtest this strategy 100 times with an initial account size of $1,000 with a 2 to 4 risk to reward ratio. When backtesting this strategy, I will be using the price of Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart. But before we get started with the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so we can continue making free strategy videos. Enough talking, let's go ahead and get started with the strategy. Okay, so for this strategy we will be using two indicators. The first indicator we're going to be using is the SSL hybrid. To add the indicator to our chart, we click on the indicators tab. Then search up SSL hybrid. We will use this one by Michael. The SSL hybrid is an all-in-one indicator, but in our case we will only use it to identify whether the market is bullish or bearish. After adding the indicator, your chart will look like this. Now we need to change some of the indicator settings. We click the settings button on the indicator menu. We head to the style section. We uncheck everything beside the MA baseline. Then we change the MA baseline color from blue to green. Then we click OK, and now we are done with the first indicator. The second indicator we will use is the open close cross alert. We click this one by just uncle. We will be using this indicator for our short and long position signals. Now let's modify some of the indicator settings. We click the settings button on the indicator menu. We head to the style section. We will keep the first three options the same. Then we uncheck everything else. Then we click OK. After applying the indicator settings, your chart should look like this. Now that we have everything set up, we can start with the strategy rules. The rules to entering a long position are the following. We need a buy signal to be issued by the OCC indicator. We also need the SSL hybrid line to be colored in green, and we need the price to be trading above the green line. In this example, all our conditions are met. The OCC indicator gave us a signal to enter a long position. The SSL hybrid is colored in green and the price is trading above it. So we enter a long position. We set our stop loss at the recent swing low and our take profit at 1.5 times the risk. After waiting for a bit, the price hits our target. I will show you one more long position example to make everything clear. Here we have a long position signal from the OCC indicator. The SSL hybrid is colored in green, but the price is trading under it, so we have to wait for a candle to close above the green line. Right now all our conditions are met. We enter a long position. We set our stop loss at the recent lowest price and our take profit at 1.5 times the risk. After a few candles, the price hits our take profit as we expected. Now I will explain the rules to entering a short position. The rules for entering a short position are the opposite. We need a short signal to be issued by the OCC indicator. We need the SSL hybrid to be colored in red, and we need the price to be trading under it. In this example, all our conditions are met. The OCC indicator gave us a short position signal, the price is trading under the SSL hybrid, and the line is red, so we enter a short position. We set our stop loss at the recent swing high and we set our take profit at 1.5 times the risk. This was another profitable trade. I will show you one more short position example before I backtest this strategy. So the price is trading under the SSL hybrid and it's colored in red, and we have a short position signal from the OCC indicator. We enter a short position. We set our stop loss at the recent swing high and our take profit at 1.5 times the risk. After waiting for a bit, the price hits our target. By now you should have a clear understanding on how to enter a position and set your stop loss and take profit targets. Now I will go ahead and backtest this strategy 100 times and come back with the results. I just finished backtesting this strategy 100 times and here are the results. I was able to find those setups within 7 days only. The win rate was 71%, which is super high for a 5-minute scalping strategy. My account size increased by 353% in only 7 days. I had 71 wins against 29 losses. The profit factor was 3.67. I had 7 consecutive wins against 4 consecutive losses. The maximum drawdown was 7.76%. Overall, this strategy shows amazing results. I definitely recommend testing it out on other markets. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so we can continue making free strategy videos.